What's up, pizza fam? Santa Barbara Baker here with an epic Ooni Cups battle. We have the new Ooni Cup Char Pepperoni versus the Cup and Crisp from Hormel. Both worthy contenders for epic Ooni Cups pizza in your Ooni Pizza Oven. Let's take a look at the packaging here at first. The Ooni comes in a box, the Hormel just in a simple bag, so a little more excess packaging on this one. And note too, this one's 5 ounces versus the standard 6 ounces that Hormel is giving you. Let's open them up and take a look inside, get a closer look. You can see just looking through the packaging here that the Ooni version looks a little smaller and more brightly colored. The Hormel a little bit lighter and it feels a little softer. Let's open them both up here and take a look and of course a taste. We're gonna taste them on their own here before we get them on a pizza. And of course I have to bake some up and see how they cup and char and crisp and how they taste. Let's get this one open. The Hormel one's pretty sweet because you have a little resealable package, but I'm thinking when you have a bag like this, you're probably gonna get maybe 2 pizzas out of it. With the 5 ounces, you could probably dump this whole thing on one 16-ounce pizza. Let's take them both out and get a closer look here. The Hormel feels definitely softer. This is the Hormel one. This one from Ooni, size-wise, you can see the Ooni one a little bit smaller and a little bit thicker. The Ooni version feels more like a traditionally cured salami. The Hormel version feeling a little more processed in my hands here. Ooni looking really bright. This color a little duller, but a really classic in feeling here. I'm gonna go taste the Ooni one first. The Cup and Char from Ooni. On its own, tastes really delicious, really full flavored. A big kick coming through on this one. Definitely bold in flavor and a nice chew to it. I like that slightly a little bit thicker. We'll see how it crisps up. The Hormel, let's try this one. The Cup and Crisp from Hormel, tasting really classic in flavor, way more mild I'm feeling on this one versus the Ooni, but we'll see how they cup up. This one, definitely a little bit softer too, a little bit juicier. We'll see how that plays up and baked up. I'm gonna get a pizza stretch out and we'll top it up and see how they crisp. I have my pizza dough loaded up with the Ooni Cups. Check it out. I put 2.5 ounces of each on each side so we can get a fair comparison of how much they shrink up as they bake. The thinner slices of the Hormel looks like you get definitely more slices out of it. The thicker, more like artisan look of the Ooni, a little bit less, but looks beautiful on here. I'm gonna bake it up in my Ooni Cup 16 and we'll see how they taste. Ooni Cups overflowing, fresh out of the Ooni Cup 16. Check this pizza out. Looks super bomb to me. Both types of Ooni looking really good. The Ooni one over here looking almost maybe a little burnt. We'll see how it tastes. The Hormel cupped up, super bomb, looking really classic. The pizza overall looks really nice. I'm gonna get it sliced up. We'll take it for a taste. It's an epic battle of Ooni Cups, and this pizza looks really bomb to me. I can't wait to get in it. On this side, we have the Hormel Cup and Crisp looking really nice. You see the color? I really like that. It's a little bit lighter. It cupped up beautifully with nice crispy edges. On this side over here, we have the Ooni Cup and Char, and I think there's definitely going with the char on this one. Look how much darker it is. It was darker out of the package, and then it darkened up super dark in the high heat of an Ooni Pizza Oven. I baked it in a Cup 16. I even had it turned down for a New York style bake, and it's still, I mean, this is almost looking burnt to me, while the Hormel baked up kind of a lighter shade there. Pizza overall looks bomb. I think it is going to be probably pretty tasty. Let's give it a taste here. Looking at it, it smells so unreal. The Ooni Cups overflowing their juices. It's what I always say, the chalices of love. Which one should we start at? Let's start off with the Ooni one. Picking up this slice here, check it out. Check out the Ooni Cups up on there, looking really dark. That's this one here, the Cup and Char from Ooni. Let's get in it. Super tasty, the Ooni Cup and Char. Definitely crispy on this one. They look kind of burnt on here. but they taste pretty good to me. But the coloring, definitely a little bit on the dark side for what I like. The flavor though, really bomb on these. More of like an artisan kind of flavor, I think, coming from these ones. Really kind of on the spicy end too. These ones might be a little hot for some, but I love the heat. I'm glad they put it in there on this one. Now on this one, looking super classic, this is the Hormel Cup and Crisp, which you can find pretty much all over the place. I think it's the most widely available supermarket one. Check it out. Looking super bomb. Look at the cups full of their luscious runny juices. Let's get in it. Super bomb. More classic in flavor and definitely more mild on the Hormel Cup and Crisp. They're also like a little bit more moist. As I was saying, pulling out of the package, these ones felt a little wetter. This one more of like a cured artisan salami. I'm thinking I kind of like this punch of the Ooni one. The texture of the Hormel, I don't think you can go wrong. This one, you're getting a little bit more of the Hormel Cup and Crisp. You get another ounce and it's almost like half the price. So if you can find it locally, it's a good one to go with. I'm thinking though, the Ooni Cup and Char, really they're targeting people that can't find legit cupping Roni wherever you are. So it's definitely a good choice. You can check the link down below if you want to support Santa Barbara Baker buying Ooni products. Check out both of these pies. We got the Hormel, or excuse me, this one's the Ooni Cup and Char and the Hormel Cup and Crisp. So you can get them confused so easily. I'm into both of these. If you have Roni cups on your pizza, you're having a good day. Both of these taste delicious and this pie looks amazing. Check out my recipes and videos, SantaBarbaraBaker.com. Got the epic outdoor pizza cookbook coming. Can't wait to share it with you guys. I love you all. One love.